fine boring heads with digital 2 microns direct adjustment diametric display. Modern metal cutting processes are progressing to more precise and fine operations. The precision and robustness of ISCAR's modular boring tools deliver measurable performance advantages, significantly reducing costs and cycle times. ISCAR's BHD boring systems are the best solution for fine and accurate boring. Casting and forging stages in the manufacturing of parts have improved to the point where there is less material to be removed to achieve the desired dimensions and specifications of the workpiece. ISCAR's digitalization of precision hole making advances operations to high levels of productivity. Some tool suppliers provide a separate digital screen attached to the boring head during the adjustment stages. While this simplifies the design by annulling the need for the screen to be water and shockproof, an operator can forget to remove it before machining, which in turn can cause damage to the tool and the workpiece. The ingress protection rating of IP69K enables an integrated digital unit of the BHD boring head able to withstand full submersion in coolant and withstand pressurized direct impact of the stream and the stresses involved in machining. A quick adjustment inside the machine with ISCAR's foolproof design provides the ability to machine holes fast, accurately, while assuring maximum results. The boring head is designed to be user-friendly, with just one button below the screen and a dial for setting the diameter. The range of the BHD allows the machine holes starting from 2.5 millimeters and up to 200 millimeters. The modular MB connection allows easy assembly and multiple variations depending on the application and customer's needs. I would like to remind you to download the ISCAR World app, which features the revolutionary Neo ITA for achieving optimal machining results.